Hi friends, let's create a solid color transition. Go to the effects library and under generators, go to solid color and drag it between your clips. Make it a bit shorter. And double click it to open it in the inspector. And here choose a color that is to your liking. I like this one. Say OK. And now I'm going to video transitions and actually can pick whatever I like. I think I'm going for a triangle shape here. I put it on here and click on it to open it in the inspector. And here I will line it out with the center so that it starts beforehand. And then I alt click and drag it to the right to copy it. Yeah, you saw me stretching it out. I don't know what I did wrong. Should be easily copied. So, and now let's have a look in full screen. Here you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead and goodbye.